Where are you from?
America.
ओडिशार सबुठु बेस्ट प्लेस कोटा?
मो एक्सर घर फर्स्ट टाइम पाई मु जतबे से अरीना देखिली एते बड़ वास्ट ऑडियंस गोटे कंट्री को रिप्रेजेंट करियार गोटे स्टेट को रिप्रेजेंट करियार जो वॉइस जो दबार आई डिसाइडेड कि हाँ दिस शुड बी माय फील्ड एंड फील्ड लिटरली स्टार गोटे बहुत बड़ ब्रांड तापर मो सांग माने कहले तू पार्ट काई नोनु लेट्स जस्ट मेक रील्स दैट स्टार स्पोर्ट्स ब्रेक मतलब changed my life.
मन को ओडिया भी कुहाई दे छन.
Ross Taylor is like the funniest guy. I think I have a very good, that vibe with him. You don't need to understand. You just need to act.
You made everybody act.
Oh God, these women.
मस्त heartbreak. सेमती की चीज है.
I can't say that. चुट्टी टाणे दिए. से सोई थी को तो हैरान करे.
केबे चिंता करछन्ती एक्टिंग करियर ऐसे.
Nano ship also come. Nano ship. Yeah, something like nano ship is very brief. आपण किछ करिबेनी मु घरे बस कि मैनिफेस्ट करिबी. मो प्लान बी कोन मते जाना नै लाइफ रे जदी काम न कला. So girl who came up to me and said like I look like a clown. अभद्र लिटरली वर्ड्स जोड़ा थिला जोड़ा मैं पार्टी रे कहि भी परिबेनी. They started using that for my mother. They started giving me threats on DMs. Then they started texting my sister. What did my mom do? What did my sister do? And what have I done? Have I given any bad statement? Have I wore anything wrong? Religious sentiments? Kichi kon jinsa kon. You will have that umbrella when it is raining torrentially. That is the only part.
कौन हो जदी कहीं प्लेयर माने क्रिकेट प्लेयर ही प्रपोज कर दे तो जय जगन्नाथ ओडिशावासी. आज आम सेट्रे जड़े बहुत खास व्यक्तित्व अच्छा वेल मु तांको इंट्रोडक्शन देविनी सी तांको इंट्रोडक्शन तांको वे रे देबे ठीक अच्छे किंतु ता पूर्वर आम चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करने भूलतुनि कहीं नुआ नुआ एपिसोड जितेबाला आसूची आपन को इंटीमेशन सेते ही आसो जो आप सब्सक्राइब यूजर होते. ओके सो लेट्स स्टार्ट इट.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, this is your own host Prom, as you all love me by that name, and today we have the matchup against North Bhubaneswar and South Bhubaneswar. That's all I could make out.
That's a tremendous beginning, Prom.
Thank you.
What should I call you first of all?
Prom,
Promita or Prom?
Pramita is like when you see like the serious wala vibe, right? Prom is like when you like feel that apnapan, the
Acha.
nija wala feeling. Yeah. So
तो-
call me Prom only.
तो अपनापन आसची.
Definitely, come on. Yeah. So yeah.
ओके ग्रेट.
Yeah.
ताले आमी सेगमेंट स्टार्ट करिवा प्रमितांको संगरे आई मीन प्रॉम को संगरे तांको वे रे ही
I got.
ऑल रॉन्ग आंसर्स.
Oh wow!
That's your signature.
This has become my signature. Everyone is loving it, but I'm so glad someone is doing that with me. बड़े मजा आती है उसे.
Okay, just tell me where are you from?
I am from America.
Oh great.
I'm from Mars actually. I'm from Mars. Yeah.
अच्छा, whom are you in love with?
Shakira.
Oh that is another level.
Yeah.
Okay fine.
Okay.
अच्छा, ओडिशार सबुठु बेस्ट प्लेस कोटा?
Oh God. ओडिशार सबटु बेस्ट प्लेस. कोटा हबा. मो एक्सर घर.
तामने you are agreeing कि ex थिला?
गोटे थिला. That my parents also know, so it's safe to say.
अच्छा
That's
फाइन. अच्छा, प्रमिता को कौन खाया को भल लगे?
Okay, maybe sand, chalk.
Okay.
Wrong answers. Wrong
Okay.
answers. Yeah,
Okay fine.
yeah.
Best friend.
Best friend, okay, yaar. Best friend के अब मोरा. I have all good friends, yaar. Best friend also will be my ex only.
Oh, the best player. Your favorite player.
My favorite.
You are in soup.
My favorite
Who
player.
would you say that?
My favorite player would be whom do I say? Ranveer Singh.
Oh, great. Fine. ताले इटा को एतिकिरे बंद करिवा
No worries,
तो there is no ending to it.
There is no ending to it. Yeah, no worries. Yeah.
अच्छा.
Yeah.
माने बहुत बढ़िया beginning हैला in a funny segment.
Yeah,
है ना?
definitely.
तो
Yeah.
प्रथमे आमी स्टार्ट करिवा प्रमिता
Okay.
AKA
No.
Prom. माने केमती आपण ए फील्ड को आसिले? ଯଦି ଓଡ଼ିଆରେ କହିବି ଆକ୍ଚୁଆଲି ଫିଲ୍ଡକୁ ହିଁ ଯାଇଛନ୍ତି
करेक्ट फील्ड आपण माने मु सत कहूचे मु केबे भी भाभी नथली कि आई विल बी अ स्पोर्ट्स प्रेजेंटर फर्स्ट कथा
अच्छा
ଯାହାକୁ କୁହନ୍ତି ନା ଡେଷ୍ଟିନି ଲକ୍ ସବୁ ଗୋଟେ ମିଶିକି ଅଚାନକ ସେ ହବା ଆଉ ମୁଁ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଯାଇଥିଲି ଗୋଟେ ଜାଗାରେ ଇଣ୍ଟର୍ନସିପ୍ କରିବା ପାଇଁ ଆଣ୍ଡ ଆଟ୍ ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ପଏଣ୍ଟ ମୁଁ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଡିଜିଟାଲ ମାର୍କେଟିଂ ଉପରେ କାମ କରୁଥିଲି ସେ ଜାଗାରେ ସେମାନେ ମୋତେ ସେଇ ଟାଇମ୍ରେ କହିଲେ କି କାହିଁକି ଆପଣ ଏଇଟା ଟ୍ରାଏ କରନ୍ତୁ ବିକଜ ମୋର
ୟୁ
ବ୍ୟାକଗ୍ରାଉଣ୍ଡ
ଆର୍ ଡିଜିଟାଲ ମାର୍କେଟିୟର
No. I am a core public relations student and corporate communications. My study मोर पूरा अलगा थिला तो आमे डेफिनेटली बहुत सारा जगह जाउतलु बिकॉज आम पब्लिक रिलेशंस बैकग्राउंड थिला मु बॉम्बे रे पढ़ी आउ ये तो कॉलेज जस्ट टाइम सरीबा टाइम रे ए जिनसटा जस्ट आसिला एंड से माने मते कहले एंड मोर मने जे खेलो इंडिया यूनिवर्सिटी गेम्स थिला फर्स्ट थिला मु बहुत छोट थिली 21 वर्ष थिली या समथिंग से माने कहले कि ट्राई करंतु आई वाज लाइक कि ना माने मो सेमती किसी गोटे मैंने खास इंटरेस्ट नथला बिकॉज मते टी कैमरा बिहाइंड से तळे भल लाउतला मु छोटो थिली काफी एंड मु भाबु नथली कि एते बड़ जिंस मु डिजर्व करे भी कि नहीं बट सेटा हे गला एंड तापर 1-2 इयर्स कोविड वगैरह तो मोर डिफरेंट ये थला मु आई एम क्वाइट स्टूडियस मोर एग्जाम्स बहुत थिला मु से इथरे बिजी रहितली अप टिल अगेन जतळे प्रो लीग हला से टाइम संतळे कहले कि हॉकी वर्ल्ड कप पई आपण एबे ऑडिशन बहुत लोक आसते से टाइम रे अगेन मुझे भाबू नी बट सेटा भी आसीगला माने मो लाइफ रे एंड देन माने फर्स्ट टाइम पाई मु जतବେଳେ से अरीना देखिली एते बड़ वास्ट ऑडियंस गोटे कंट्री को रिप्रेजेंट करियार गोटे स्टेट को रिप्रेजेंट करियार जो वॉइस जो दबार आई वाज लाइक कि जदी
चार्मटा किसी डिफरेंट नहीं
हां एंड तापरे आई डिसाइडेड कि हां दिस शुड बी माय फील्ड एंड फील्ड लिटरली
माने you must be feeling like a player when you are cheering them up
हाँ
no?
लाइक यू बिकम द वॉइस आपण गोटे वॉइस हे जानती से जिनस रे आउ आपण केबे भाबी परिमेनी बिकॉज एटा बहुत इजी देखावे सामने रे बट आई हैव स्ट्रगल्ड फॉर एनीथिंग इन माय लाइफ फॉर अ डेकेड अबाउट मेनी थिंग्स सो एंड दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम मु बहुत मो लाइफ रे भी टिके कंप्लेनिंग हुए कि काहे होनी बट माय मदर इज माय बेस्ट फ्रेंड तो मु तांको पचारे सब जिनस कि मम्मा is not God listening to me what is happening my mother told me a very good quote you are asking for a drop when God has given you the ocean just be patient
really
yeah
that's a great quote
so that's a great quote she told me and actually set up with time I saw that happening yeah
okay
yeah.
that's good
Yeah.
actually ଯେତେବେଳେ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ପ୍ରଥମେ ଷ୍ଟାର ସ୍ପୋର୍ଟସରୁ ବି ଆସିଲା
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ଅଫର
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ମାନେ ଆପଣ କିଛି ସେମିତି ଭାବିଥିଲେ କି ନାଇଁ ମୋତେ ଯିବାର ଅଛି ମୋତେ ଏଇଟାରେ ହିଁ କରିୟର କରିବାର ଅଛି ଅର୍ ଇଟ୍ ଜଷ୍ଟ ହାପେନ୍ ଟୁ ୟୁ
ମୁଁ କହୁଛି ଷ୍ଟାର ସ୍ପୋର୍ଟସର ଭିଜନ ମୁଁ ଦେଖିଥିଲି ଯେତେବେଳେ ମୁଁ ବମ୍ବେ ଯାଇଥିଲି ଅଫିସ୍ ଆଗରେ ମୁଁ ଭିଜନ ବୋର୍ଡ ଜରୁର ଦେଖିଥିଲି କି ମୋତେ ଆସିବାର ଅଛି ତାର ୱେ ଆଉଟ୍ ମୁଁ କେବେ ପାଇନଥିଲି ଅପ୍ ଅନ୍ଟିଲ୍ ଯେତେବେଳେ ତାଙ୍କର ड्रीम जॉब कॉन्टेस्ट स्टार्ट है एंड आई रिमेंबर मो भौणी मो कजिन बोथ ऑफ देम वर देयर एंड दे टोल्ड मी ସେମାନେ ମୋତେ କହିଲେ କି ତମେ ଏଟାରେ କାଇଁ ପାର୍ଟିସିपेट କରୁନ ଖାଲି ରିଲ୍ ହିଁ ବନେଇବାର ଅଛି
तब तक माने आपण किंतु एंकरिंग
କରୁଥିଲି ସ୍ପୋର୍ଟସରେ କରୁଥିଲି ଷ୍ଟାର ଗୋଟେ ବହୁତ ବଡ଼ ବ୍ରାଣ୍ଡ ଆଉ ମୁଁ ଭୁବନେଶ୍ୱରରୁ ଆଉ ମୁଁ ଜାଣିଥିଲି କି ଲକ୍ଷେ ଲକ୍ଷେ ଲୋକ ସେଥିରେ ପାର୍ଟିସିପେଟ୍ କରିବେ ଦେନ୍ ତାପରେ ମୋ ସାଙ୍ଗମାନେ କହିଲେ ତୁ ପାର୍ଟ କାଇଁ ନଉନୁ ଲେଟ୍ସ ଜଷ୍ଟ मेक रील्स कॉन्टेस्ट अप्लाई तो कर दे
जस्ट खाली गोटे रील अपलोड करियार थिला इन योर वे राइट
जस्ट डू इट लेट अस सी मु करि देली ता पर मोमेंट रे मु जस्ट टीवी रे मो ना फ्लैश चला टॉप 20 माय फादर इज लाइक से मतलब डाकिला रे तोर फोटो आसी टीवी रे देख देख लाइक कि बिलीव हलानी अचानक से एंड टॉप 20 तापर गोटे 500 टॉप 500 ता धरु टॉप 20 देन टॉप 10 टॉप 3 माने आई नेवर इमेजिन्ड गोइंग अप लाइक एमती एमती है कि जीबी बोली केबे माने 2 मंथ्स रो कॉन्टेस्ट थिला बट इट फेल्ट लाइक अ ड्रीम
ओके
या
लाइफ चेंज हिची तापरे
बहुत ज्यादा
केमती माने इन अ गुड वे
in
बैड
a
वे
very good way in a very good way that star sports break मतलब चेंज्ड माय लाइफ एंटायरली चेंज्ड माय लाइफ एंड मुझे जेतेबेले बॉम्बे जाइथिली 5-6 मास तळे तांक सहित बसथिली मु तांको कहूथिली बिकॉज आई कम फ्रॉम अ स्मॉल टाउन एंड एमिति जहार कुछ बैकग्राउंड कहार लिंक नाही कहूथिरे ସେମାନେ ମତେ କହିଲେ କି if we chose you for top 3 among so many profiles then you have to have that belief in yourself. Then I was like okay चलो ठीक है, that's fine. I was happy
ମାନେ
with that.
ଅଦର वे राउंड ହେଇଗଲା ନାଇଁ କି
I was like okay चलो ठीक ଅଛି, no worries about it.
अच्छा ମାନେ stars को संगरे केमती के माने फील हुए जेतबेले when you are on field
Yeah.
you know
हाँ.
interviewing them
हाँ,
and
हाँ.
making I have seen you making reels बहुत funny reels भी बने की पकांती
Yeah.
बट तो बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग भी अच्छी
अच्छा, हाँ.
I'll show you
हाँ.
in the screen
Okay.
हाँ
तुम तो बहुत ही अमीर निकले यार। मेरी बहन के साथ भाग जाओ ना, हम सबकी लाइफ सेट हो जाएगी।
Yeah. Ross Taylor is like the most funniest guy, the most chilled out person, very humble, and I think I have a very good, that vibe with him. Okay,
Acha.
he's a legend, but trust me, when you hear about Ross Taylor, like such a big star. I mean, people who have followed cricket from like years know what Ross Taylor is, but when you meet him, he is so funny and vibey. And I told him prior ki ame banauchu, like we are making this reel, Ross, and he
Okay.
was not able to understand anything. And then I was like, you don't need to understand, you just need to act. And when I was like, and he was like, what are you doing? Are you like making some marriage reel out of this? I was like,
You
just
understood, huh?
He was like, he understands Bollywood very fast. That is the thing. So he knows everything.
अच्छा
So and I pulled our manager over there. And he's like, and I translated him, you're so rich, please marry my sister and become my Jiju.
आई टेल यू मते एते फनी लागितला से रील टा आई थिंक बहुत लोग लाइक भी करते
बहुत लोग एंड ताठू अधिका वायरल जाइछि जोटा रॉस और मोर जो सोलो रील टा ऋतिक आउ करीना जोटा
Oh,
कन्वर्सेशन
अच्छा, right,
अगर
right,
कुछ
right.
भी अगेन से किछ बुझी पाना दिस आईडिया अगेन ही स्टैंडिंग लाइक दिस लिटरली लाइक दिस as like and I'm speaking and he's like ये कौन कहला
that's the charm about it you know काना से बुझी पारु नांती just act करचंती
and he's like you spoke so nicely first then you left what was the meaning then I explained he's like oh god these women
and you made everybody act
I made
that
everyone
also सेमान को ओडिया भी कुहाई दैछंती समस्तंको
ओडिया तो
almost all
आई थिंक रिचर्ड लेविंग को कुहाइथिला तापरे केविन ओब्रायन सीए भी कहिले समस्त ओडिया कहले स्मार्ट सिटी जियो
yes
तो स्मार्ट सिटी जियो एंड सब तो फिडल एडवर्ड्स भी सेतरे थले सब तो फनी पार्ट तांको आगे कुहा जाए कि आपण किछ मीनिंग बुझाबनी आपण कहंतु तापरे से माने कोचन स्मार्ट सिटी जियोटा से माने बुझी पण भाबचन कि स्मार्ट सिटी इज लाइक कॉन्सेप्ट एंड आई वाज लाइक स्मार्ट सिटी जियोटा लाइक इज लाइक ओ गॉड तापरे मैं रिएक्शन कैप्चर करू तांका इट्स वेरी फनी ओवरसीज प्लेयर्स आर ऑलवेज very chilled and
Very
Ross tapare
cool.
aise ki mate he's like telling me my god our reel has got 80,000 views it's heading up to 1 lakh views very nice very he's fun yeah
great ताले किछि शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन आंसर करियो
Sure,
लाइक
sure. rapid fire one word
one not one word he can use many sentences as well
god I'm good at that very difficult
because I can understand you cannot just keep quiet and say one word for a question
yeah
okay
Yeah.
so to एतिक कन्वर्सेशन रु मु तो बुझी गलिन के फेवरेट प्लेयर स्टिल आई एम आस्किंग कि के आपनकर फेवरेट प्लेयर
विराट कोहली
विराट कोहली
yeah
I thought कि
Ross
आंसर
would
रॉस
be
आसीबो
no Ross Taylor is there but Virat I'm like big fan
ओके डाई हार्ड फैन
yeah
अच्छा केमती थाए नॉर्मली माने जेतेबेले फील्ड रे थांती काहा को किछि क्वेश्चंस पचार थांती माने जदी केही किछि आंसर माने they didn't take your question seriously or when you are asking a funny question they are not taking it in a funny way then कौन हुए सेठी
So technically आपन को बुझा पड़ेगा कि they have certain moods okay initially you have to observe तांका mood को state रचे गेम आगुरु जदी आपण माने 1 or 2 hours माने नेट प्रैक्टिस वगैरह रे अछंती से टाइम में बेसिकली डोंट डिस्टर्ब देम इट्स द फर्स्ट टेक्निक डोंट डिस्टर्ब देम ऑलवेज आस्क परमिशन ओके बिकॉज़ see a person who is always surrounded by camera media attention they are giving media bites they have to play so you have to always understand the other person now if you don't
Exactly.
make them feel good what's the point what is the point if you like make them feel awkward so once or twice they wouldn't be like that after they work with you like Ross Saida, this was my second time. Also with Shikhar, it was my second time shooting with him. So by the time they know you, now they're comfortable to do. So you understand their mood swings. The funny part, our team director, when I asked them, like, we have to, choose moods of people. The boys are always moody. Like, yeah, thank God you spoke the truth. So yeah, so according to that, we operate. Match pore if they have won a game. We are typically, speaking about match. We don't want to talk. In off days, they are chilled out.
Okay.
So, like, even if you are like an interviewer, okay, you have to make them, like, you have to give them a smile on their face. The major role is to give a smile on their face and to connect heart to heart. It's
Right.
just not you're doing an interview. It's you're connecting that emotion. Once you connect that, because today what happens, you read stats. Stats are important. Like understanding the records are important. Understanding game is important. But what if some player at that moment has done a very remarkable, he's played a remarkable innings at that point of time. He has done something extraordinary in the field and you pick an emotion of that. That's how you connect people.
right
Yeah.
actually ସେଇଟା ହିଁ ବେସ୍ କି ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କ ସହିତ ଇମୋସନାଲି କନେକ୍ଟ କଲେ
Emotional
ହିଁ
connect, yeah,
ସାମ୍ନା ବାଲା ବି ଆପଣଙ୍କ
yeah,
ସହିତ
yeah.
ଓପନଲି କଥା ହେବ
Yeah,
କାରଣ ଆଇ ହାଭ୍ ସିନ୍ ୟୁ ଅଲୱେଜ୍ ଭେରି ଓପନ୍ ଆଣ୍ଡ ଫ୍ରାଙ୍କ ୱିଥ୍ ଏଭ୍ରିୱାନ୍
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
and you are
yeah,
very
totally.
friendly with everybody I think.
Yeah, I'm usually a very chilled out person. I mean, I would like if people around me are comfortable, but then I have a very strong barrier to myself. Like if I feel uncomfortable about anything, I'm like straight up on the face. I don't like this.
Okay.
Yeah.
କେବେ ଫେସ୍ କରିଛନ୍ତି ଏମିତି
You
uncomfortable
know, like
situation?
it's a man's world, most likely. Okay. Now you have that quote. You
ମୋ
know,
ନେକ୍ସଟ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ୍ ସେଇଟା ଉପରେ ହିଁ ଥିଲା
yeah,
actually.
it's a man's world where it's a quote I read recently where men take bull's charge, but the woman is like a serpent, who will strike on the prey. That's how your thought process should be. The point is that I understand emotions of like men do have, and men and women are never equal.
Correct.
You have to understand that in a
Correct.
matured way. They are not equal. It's not that we need to bash them all the time. वो बहुत लोगों को देखिए like नहीं लड़के ऐसे होते हैं, लड़के ये होता है, वो होता है.
ଏଇଟା ଗୋଟେ ମାନେ
Yeah.
ଏବେ ଗୋଟେ ନର୍ମାଲ ହେଇଗଲାଣି ନର୍ମାଲାଇଜ କରିଦଉଛନ୍ତି ଲୋକ କି ଫେମିନିଜମ ଫେମିନିଷ୍ଟ
Yeah.
ଦେयर ଇଜ ନୋ ନିଡ୍ ଅଫ୍ ଇଟ୍ ଆକ୍ଚୁଆଲି
Yeah.
ମେନ୍ ଆର୍ ୱିମେନ୍ ବେସିକାଲି
हाँ,
ଟୋଟାଲି
totally
ଡିଫରେଣ୍ଟ
different, yeah.
ତ ସେଥିରେ କିଛି କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ ହିଁ ଆସୁନି ସମାନତାର ସମାନତା କୋଉଥିରେ ନା କାମରେ
କାମ,
ଆପଣ ଯେମିତି
କାମ,
କହିଲେ
exactly,
କାମରେ
ହଁ.
ରାଇଟ୍
ତ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ if you are always ମାନେ ତାଙ୍କ men को ବିଷୟରେ କହୁଛନ୍ତି that doesn't mean you're not respecting your father or your brother. You always need to think that not everyone is like that. But there are predators, and I'm more बाकी interviews रे भी କହିଛି, there are predators who are really vile, ଯୋଉମାନେ ବିଲକୁଲ ଭଲ ନଥାନ୍ତି. Dealing that part is very difficult, and I faced that initially in my career, but somehow I was always like कि I don't want to work like that. कि ମୁଁ ବସିଯିବି 6 ମାସ ଘରେ, ମୋର କିଛି ଫରକ ପଡ଼ିବନି. I'll sit at my home, but I'm not gonna do this.
ଇଟ୍ ସୁଡ୍ ବି ଲାଇକ୍ ଦିସ୍
It should be like this, and you have to be very strong-headed for it.
ରାଇଟ୍
If you are weak, I swear, if you come up straight on the face, they will call you again. I promise you on that. But the moment you are weak, there's where they start feeding on you. That's what you need to be clear about.
your talent should speak
Yeah, definitely.
not
ଆଜି ନହେଲେ କାଲି ହବ.
not the wrong doings
Yeah, ଆଜି ନହେଲେ କାଲି ହବ.
ହବ,
Be
ନିଶ୍ଚୟ
confident about that.
ନିଶ୍ଚୟ
ହଁ.
and you are a bright example of that
No, I try to learn every day, and ମାନେ ମୁଁ ଶିଖିବାକୁ ପସନ୍ଦ କରେ. ଯାହା ହଉଛି by God's grace, that's it.
ହଁ କାହିଁକି ନା କୌଣସି ବ୍ୟାକିଂ ନଥାଏ କି କୌଣସି କନେକ୍ସନ୍ ନଥାଏ ୟୁ ହାଭ୍ ରିଚ୍ଡ ଅପ୍ ଟୁ ଦିସ୍ ଲେଭଲ୍ ତ ସମସ୍ତେ ହିଁ କରିପାରିବେ ନା କ'ଣ ଅସୁବିଧା ଅଛି
ଆଜ୍ଞା, definitely.
ଖାଲି ଷ୍ଟ୍ରଙ୍ଗ ୱିଲ୍ ପାୱାର ହେବା ଦରକାର କି
Definitely.
ଓକେ ଦିସ୍
Yeah.
ଇଜ୍ ମାଇ ଏମ୍ ଆଇ
Yeah.
ହାଭ୍ ଟୁ ଅଚିଭ୍ ଇଟ୍
Yeah, bas.
ବଟ୍ ଇନ୍ ଅ ରାଇଟ୍ ୱେ
In the right way. Yeah, correct.
ଗ୍ରେଟ୍ ଗ୍ରେଟ୍ ଆଚ୍ଛା ତ ନେକ୍ସଟ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ ହେଉଛି କି ଯେତେବେଳେ ଫିଲ୍ଡରେ ଅଛନ୍ତି ଯେମିତିକି ମୁଁ କହିଲି କି କିଛି ଅକ୍ୱାର୍ଡ ସିନ୍ ଏମିତି କିଛି ହେଇଛି ଯେଉଁଟାକି ଭୁଲି ପାରିନାହାନ୍ତି ଆଜି ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ
awkward scene ହେଇଥିଲା ରାଞ୍ଚିରେ actually. The Ranchi crowd is a ମାନେ little
ମାନେ
Joshila crowd,
energy.
typical that gangs of Wasipur crowd. So I remember ମୁଁ ଗୋଟେ ଲାଲ ଇଏଟା ପିନ୍ଧିଥିଲି, and I was the presenter there for the Asian Championship or something. Asian Championship. So ପଛପଟେ comments were like पीला फूल गेंदा फूल समथिंग लाल वाली ब्यूटीफुल आई एम लाइक dude I need to go from there it was so
अच्छा
awkward
मास कमेंट मराला
mass comment I'm like that was so awkward because ମୁଁ position ସେଇଠୁ change କରିପାରିବିନି
अच्छा।
because we are there live ଆମର ଗୋଟେ
Right.
camera positions ଥାଏ I was like କି god ମୋତେ ଯିବାର ଅଛି ଏଠୁ but then take it in a sporty way don't like
अच्छा।
too much it's okay fine ତାପରେ ମୁଁ ହାଇ ହ୍ୟାଲୋ କରିଦେଲି ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କୁ like ଚିଲ
एक्चुअली सेटा ही जे पर्यंत माने गोटे मजाकटा भी गोटे
हाँ,
लेवल
हाँ।
तक थाए तब तक ठीक
हाँ,
लागे
correct,
बहुत अधिका हे गले ऑफ कोर्स नोबडी वुड लाइक
Nobody would like, हाँ।
आउ एम्ति किछि जोटा कि एते एक्साइटिंग माने एते हैप्पी मोमेंट जोटा भूली परिबेनी ऑन फील्ड
ऑन फील्ड आई रिमेंबर ଯେତେବେଳେ ମୁଁ ଷ୍ଟାର ସ୍ପୋର୍ଟସ୍ ମାଇକ୍ ଧରିଥିଲି ଫର୍ ଦ ଫର୍ଷ୍ଟ ଟାଇମ୍ ଓକେ ମାନେ ଗୋଟେ ଷ୍ଟାର ସ୍ପୋର୍ଟସ୍ର ମାଇକ୍ଟା ଧରିବା ୱାଜ୍ like a dream of every person who wants to be a sports anchor ever to hold that mic in your hands and I remember ସକାଳେ ସେଟା ଅହମଦାବାଦରେ ଆମେ shoot କରୁଥିଲୁ for the IPL content and ଖରା ହଉଥିଲା and everything ଆଉ ସେ ମାଇକ୍ଟା ଯେତେବେଳେ ସେ producer ଆଣିକି ଦେଲା this is your mic you will be using it the whole day I was like I was just looking at that mic only ମାନେ ମୁଁ ଏତେ ଖୁସି କି like ମୁଁ lines ଭୁଲିଗଲି and the producer asked me like what happened I was like I'm just looking at this mic I'm very happy with that that's it so yeah ସେଇଟା ଥିଲା
अच्छा
हाँ।
एम्ति के प्लेयर जे कि आपनक काम को बहुत डिफिकल्ट कर दैछन्ती आपन पे ऑन फील्ड
I can't say that now he's a very good friend also but
इनिशियली
Yusuf sir would be
अच्छा
Yusuf sir would be he's one of the most nicest person I met but we had a 6-second shoot he made me wait like 4 hours for it I was like sir kya hai ye but then he is like one of the persons I've met like ଆମ team କୁ ଖାଇବା ପିଇବା ଚା ପିଇବା because I like having tea they're like food around taking care of everyone so I learned that from him and he was like little not easy to take a content out from
Okay.
but on the gradual process I think it was I was like I'm never gonna forget again I met him at DCL so then I asked him ki sir we have to shoot a content and he did a segment of like 10-12 minutes on the field it's like मैंने जिंदगी का सारा content दे दिया इस साल के लिए और मेरा इंटरव्यू मत ले
अच्छा अच्छा
yeah
यंग गर्ल
yeah
तो एमती किछि गोटे हार्ट ब्रेक हिच माने एकदम माने मस्त हार्ट ब्रेक सेमती किछि हिच आज परंतु
हार्ट ब्रेक माने कौन माने यार माने हार्ट एते जोरे ब्रेक हे जाई छै मोर जे आउ माने आउ किछि ब्रेक ही फरक ही
नहीं।
पड़नी मोर ना
ब्रेक
It
आपने
is-
किछि बंचिनी
नहीं वंस एंड यू नो बेटा हुए जतळे कष्ट हुए यू लर्न आउट फ्रॉम इट एंड it's if even if I have a heartbreak aguku I know it'll last very less in my head
you'll
I'm
flush
very
it out within seconds
yeah. Not even if it's seconds I'll cry out I'll rant it out I'll speak it out and then I'll come back to shape
it should be like
Yeah.
this only right
yeah
okay next कहंतु किए एमती पर्सन अछंती जहा सहित अपन बहुत अटैच्ड
of course my mom my dad and my sister I can't pick one I'm very attached to them I'm very emotionally attached to them yeah
एमती कौन जिनस अछि जोटा कि अपन छाड़ी परिबेनी केबे भी
वो एमती कौनटा जिनस अच्छी irritating my sister pulling her cheeks she's 24 right now and whenever I see her I pull her cheeks the chutti टाणी दिए से सोई थी मतलब को हैरान करे yeah that's something I can't go about even in the public I'm like pulling her cheeks like that she's like nani don't do this loko achanti that's something
ओके लास्ट मेसेज कौन आपन को फोन रे अछि काहा को पठै छंती कौन मेसेज अछि
last message was to I think last message was to my sister only
अच्छा
and she has sent me kapda links
Okay.
that's it and Instagram में it's one friend of mine
डिसाइड करले कि मते ए फील्ड रे ही जिबार अछि एटा करियर बनेबार अछि सेति पई किछि स्पेसिफिक लर्निंग एंड ट्रेनिंग किछि दरकार हैला आपन को
ट्रेनिंग देखो फर्स्ट आई वाज लाइक मैंने मुझे जमती थिली कि पूरा ब्लैंक इन माय हेड कि गोटे फील्ड आपण चूज करूचंती एंड एमिति फील्ड which has research which has understanding which has a lot of things in head. It's not like समझ पाबंदी कि scripts दिया जाए या किच्छि ना था जितने broader broadcasters देखो जान they don't go without any script. They understand things. So it is a study on its own. It's nothing like कि ମୁଁ ଭଲ ଦେଖାଉଛି ସୁନ୍ଦର ଦେଖାଉଛି ମୁଁ ଏମିତି କପଡ଼ା ପିନ୍ଧିବି no. It all boils down to what you're gonna speak on screen and how much you know. And ତା ପାଇଁ ଗୋଟେ ଦିନ ନୁହେଁ, it is everyday process, okay? And I'm telling you, if you're studying it like a subject, you will like it. And if you're watching the game constantly, ଯଦି ଗୋଟେ ଏବେ trophy start ହବ କ'ଣ ହୁଏ ନା ଏତେ facts और figures ଥାଏ head ରେ ନା तो आपण हठात कि ना सबुबले यू आर नॉट प्रिपेयर्ड तो जेतोल को लीग हबो से प्लेयर र हिस्ट्री ता स्टैट्स कोन अछि से ए लीग पई केमिति कोन खेलबो एवरीथिंग यू नीड टू वॉच यू नीड टू सी क्रिक बज रे कोन होछ आई फॉलो क्रिक बज ऑफन मु जदी मैच देखुनी आई एम सीइंग दैट बिकॉज़ आई नीड टू बी प्रिपेयर्ड आई कांट गो आउट लाइक एंड मु सेठी बसी की कंट्रोवर्शियल क्वेश्चंस पचनी आई एम आस्किंग देम द गेम सो आई नीड टू बी प्रिपेयर्ड इनिशियली इट वाज टफ फॉर मी but every other day you need to have cultivation of that thing. And one of the lines of Socrates which I follow, true wisdom is that you know nothing. And when you know that, you become a wise person. That is what I have always learnt in life.
तो इट्स लाइक बेसिकली माने ऑन फील्ड जिबा पूर्वरु a lot of homework has to be done,
definitely,
right?
definitely.
केबे चिंता करछन्ती एक्टिंग करियर रे आसिया पे
Yeah, acting
कारण आमे स्क्रीन रे देखौछु किछटा
Okay.
हां
Okay.
बढ़िया बढ़िया वीडियोस फोटोज है ना
You know, acting करने that is my माने जो real
लोक मान का कमेंट भी अच्छी एतिरे
That's my real self, actually. If there's a movie like that in character, I don't mind, but that's usually my real self. I'm bubbly, I'm fun, I'm like doing some sort of crazy things, yeah, but not thought of acting. Not thought of acting in the sense.
जदी आसे सेमति किछ
See, I'm like, I've told that in every interview. If I look into a guy's eye, I laugh. I'm very shy that way. I can't. I laugh out. So that's why. Yeah.
ओके
That is the
बट
thing.
वी लव योर पर्सनालिटी ऑन कैमरा
Thank you.
फंक्शन को जाइछन्ती किंबा इवेंट किंबा इंटरव्यू केही एमती होस्ट अछन्ती जे कि आपन सहित टिके फ्लर्ट करछन्ती
यार सेटा तो बहुत सारा हुए बट नॉट इंटरेस्टेड
अच्छा
No.
आपन रेड सिग्नल दियंती सीटी एकदम से
पूरा ये आई एम वेरी क्लियर राइट नाउ एट माय मोमेंट ऑफ लाइफ नो डेटिंग आई वांट टू स्ट्रेट गेट मैरिड
अच्छा
so yeah very clear about that so if somebody is actually getting
I'm with you young girls please watch
so somebody who's giving that serious vibe wants to get settled even if he wants to take time that's not a problem but no right now
what do you think about this Gen Z culture like
uh
ghosting and
this
situationships and
nanoship
lot
also
many-
come nanoship yeah something nanoship is a very brief period of time
Acha.
wala
okay
scene.
that's a new word I
Yeah,
heard.
I don't know. Back in college, we didn't have all these terms. So, see, Gen Z culture, see, when people are young, ମୁଁ ସେଟା ବୁଝେ କି ଲୋକ ସେତେ matured ହୁଅନ୍ତିନି ଜିନିଷକୁ କି ସେମାନେ ବୁଝିପାରିବେ ଜିନିଷ ସୋ ପଏଣ୍ଟ ଅଫ୍ ଟାଇମ୍ ନା ସେ ପଏଣ୍ଟରେ ଆପଣ ଯେମିତି ବୁଝଉଛନ୍ତି ତାଙ୍କୁ କି ହଁ ଏମିତି କର ସେମିତି କର नो बडी विल लिसन इवन वेन वी वर इन कॉलेज आमे काहा कथा केमती शुणुथुलु वी वर नॉट लिसनिंग वी थिंक व्हाट वी आर करेक्ट बट विथ टाइम ना व्हेन रियलिटी विल बी हिटिंग यू एवरीवन विल fall down to one thing but one thing I feel very sad when I see news right now samasang bisare mu dekhe is like I feel girls aren't safe because girls are emotional they are like physically ruined emotionally ruined that is something that saddens me up ki mane itte level ko kahi karo ki like we see incidents and that is why because woman's heart is very 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 soft not talking about women in general men in general also that sort of thing ଯେତେବେଳେ ଆପଣ ଧୋକା ଦଉଛନ୍ତି ଇଏ କରୁଛନ୍ତି those cultures if little bit kind and little bit understanding would be better that's the thing
କାହିଁକି ନା ସବୁ ଯଦି ଆମେ ଦେଖିବା ପ୍ରସ୍ ଆଣ୍ଡ କନ୍ସ ଅଫ୍ ଅଲ୍ ଦିସ୍ କାଇଣ୍ଡ ଅଫ୍ ରିଲେସନସିପ୍ସ ଆମେ ଯେତେ ବି ଯଦି ହିଷ୍ଟ୍ରି ବି ଉଠେଇକି ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ଲାଷ୍ଟ 5-6 ଇୟର୍ସ ହେଲାଣି ଆମେ ଏଇସବୁ ୱାର୍ଡସ୍ ଗୁଡ଼ା ଶୁଣୁଛୁ ତାର ମାନେ ଅନ୍ତଟା କେବେ ବି ଭଲ ହେଇନି
correct
ଯାହାକୁ ବି ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ମାନେ ଯଦି ମୁଁ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ କହିବି ହନି ସିଂଙ୍କର ଏକ୍ଜାମ୍ପଲ ନିଅନ୍ତୁ
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
ହି ରୋଜ୍ ଟୁ ଫେମ୍ ସକ୍ସେସ୍ ଏଭ୍ରିଥିଙ୍ଗ ହି ଗଟ୍ ତାପରେ କ'ଣ ହେଲା
true
ମାନେ ଆମେ ସୋ କଲ୍ଡ କୁଲ୍ ବନିବା ଚକ୍କରରେ ଆମେ କ'ଣ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ନିଜ ଲାଇଫ୍ ଖରାପ କରିବାର କିଛି
health
ମତଲବ
ruined
ନାହିଁ ନା
everything is ruined correct very true
ତ ମାନେ ଆଇ ଥିଙ୍କ ମାନେ ଯେତିକି ୟଙ୍ଗ ଜେନେରେସନ୍ ଅଛନ୍ତି ତାଙ୍କୁ ହିଁ ଦେଖିକି ଶିଖିବା କଥା
correct.
माने he was worshipping Saturn or something. He said
there's a lot of conspiracy of many people worshipping
Illuminati, this,
Illuminati
that he
theory
said, no?
and all. Correct.
ତ ସେଇଟା ଥିଲା ଏବେ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ରିସେଣ୍ଟଲି ଯାଇକି ସେ ଶିବଜୀଙ୍କର ମାନେ ପୂଜା ଅର୍ଚ୍ଚନା କରୁଛନ୍ତି
End of the day, they'll only come to God only. There is Shaitan, which is powerful, but there is nothing in this world powerful than God.
Right.
You need to realize that. That is the thing.
ତ ସବୁ ୟଙ୍ଗ ଜେନେରେସନ ଯେତିକ ବି ଅଛନ୍ତି ତ ଆପଣ କ'ଣ ମେସେଜ ଦଉଛନ୍ତି
Message ଦେବି କି see, live your life, enjoy your life. See, ପାଠ ପଢିବା is something very important. I need to tell every youngster कि passion follow କରିବା ବହୁତ ଇଏ.
बहुत
I
जरूरी.
knew I had a backup. I had finished my masters. I knew I had enough of qualification to have a job. So then only risk can come. Anything you do.
ରାଇଟ୍
Don't go in that like see, I'm a very practical person. I'm not ମୁଁ ଏମିତି କେବେ ଆସି କାହାକୁ କହିବିନି କି no manifest this, you will become like this, you will no please
manifestation is
it's
in peak
good.
right now, you know that.
It is good, but what about universe is everything happens, but be practical. ଆପଣ କିଛି କରିବେନି ମୁଁ ଘରେ ବସିକି manifest କରିବି ମୋ plan B କ'ଣ ମୋତେ ଜଣା ନାହିଁ ଲାଇଫରେ ଯଦି କାମ ନ କଲା. So you need to have strong backups and ସବୁଠୁ important enough of skill, talent and studies if you have had done. If you want to do anything in your life, you want to become an actor or singer, you want to come into sports, you want to be an athlete, but have a strong backup to yourself.
You have to be practical enough.
You have to be practical enough. Yeah,
Right.
That's it.
Recently ମୁଁ ଗୋଟେ ଭିଡ଼ିଓ ପ୍ଲେ କରୁଛି ଆପଣ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ତାପରେ ଆମେ କଥା ହେବା ସେ ଭିଡ଼ିଓ ଉପରେ
Okay. जय जगन्नाथ नमस्कार. बहुत लज्जित मु आउ बहुत निंदनीय घटना चली with me and the other female who was there on the stage. ए लेवल तक जाई सालानी जिनस कि आपण मो माँ आउ मो भौणी को विषय रे कथा कहउचंती who have no involvement of whatever is happening. मु भाभी थिली काहे कि ना मु देश सारा चारिआडे काम करिछि आउ ए लेवल केबे भी कोठी सुनिनी. बहुत कष्ट लागुची कि ओडिसा रु आसिकी आपणक ओडिया झियो जे कि अंतरराष्ट्रीय स्तर रे काम करूची तांकू आपण एई लेवल रो जिंस कथा कहउचंती. भूल तुर्क बहुत जिंस हुए आमे बुझू से जिंस बट थ्रेट्स दबा मते रेट्स मांगिबा मो माँ आउ मो भौणी को विषय कथा कहबा मो फीमेल फ्रेटर्निटी के ऊपर मो बॉडी ऊपर कथाबार्ता करबा मते अननोन नंबर्स रु कॉल करबा. I swear the people of Odisha, you have ashamed, you have let me down, you have been an absolute nuisance, you have hurt self-respect of every woman over there, and if this is the reason our state wouldn't be going up ahead in life, because आपनको टॉलरेशन ही नहीं जतबेले को झियो आपण माटीर झियो ही आसिकी किछि भलो करूची आपनको पाई या चेष्टा करूची. I don't think I have any words beyond left to say.
କ'ଣ ଏମିତି ହେଇଥିଲା ଯେତେବେଳେ ଆପଣ ଓଡ଼ିଆ ଝିଅ ହିଁ ଓଡ଼ିଶାକୁ ପ୍ରାଉଡ୍ କରି ବାହାରେ କଣ୍ଟ୍ରିରେ ଏତେ ନା କମେଇକି ଯେତେବେଳେ ବ୍ୟାକ୍ ଓଡ଼ିଶାକୁ ଫେରିଲେ ଏମିତି କ'ଣ ହେଲା ଯେଉଁଥିପାଇଁ କି ଆପଣ ଗୋଟେ ବହୁତ ସମ୍ବେଦନଶୀଳ ୱେରେ ତାକୁ ଇନଷ୍ଟାରେ ପୋଷ୍ଟ କରିଥିଲେ.
ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ କଟକ ବାରବାଟୀ ଇମୋସନ୍ସ ଆଉ ସେଣ୍ଟିମେଣ୍ଟସ୍ ବହୁତ ହାଇ ଥାଏ. ବହୁତ ଦିନ ପରେ ଗେମ୍ ହେଉଥିଲା. इमोशंस मु बहुत बुझे. क्रिकेट पाई लोक बहुत पागल जो आई रिमेंबर विराट खाली पैडिंग पे आसला एंड ही वाज डूइंग अ प्रैक्टिस सेशन 30,000 क्राउड थिला. खरा बहुत होतला से ना स्टिल लोक आसंती सब इमोशंस में बुझू. मते मेजरली कुहाइतला आपण कटक रो इमोशन बेसी आनिबे सो दैट पीपल फील कनेक्टेड कि से आई थिंक दही वड़ा को दही बरा कयार थिला समथिंग. आई जस्ट मिसस्पेल्ड इट ट्वाइस और समथिंग. आउ म्यूजिक बाजीगला बीच बीच रे फ्लड काम कल बहुत सारा जिनस इश्यू ट्रिगर है. बट कौन हुए ना मत गोटे फील है कि बहुत सारा कल्मिनेशन ऑफ मिस्टेक्स जमती जो मो फेस से माने जानीदे कि ये करटा मो ऊपर आसला. आई हैव गॉटन लाइक 70% ऑफ वेरी गुड कमेंट्स विच वाज अप्रिशिएटेड एंड 30% आई डिड एक्सपेक्ट देयर विल बी जेलसी. Sad part, uneducated people too I can expect. What about educated people talking? What was about the educated people and women? Leave the men folk. Mu seta pore asibi. Women are talking. That was what, why would you go up? There was a girl who came up to me and said like, I look like a clown. And my sister,
Why?
my friends gave it up there. And she very well knows whom I'm talking about. I'm not afraid of anything.
But why?
Exactly. What is that person? That shows envy. Criticisms are fine. I'm a person who takes criticism. But what about you being a woman? And ତମେ ଏମିତି କେମିତି କହୁଛ କଥାବାର୍ତ୍ତା? Next କଥା. It's not like till then also I was not reacting. It's fine. When it went about like ଅଭଦ୍ର literally words ଯୋଉଟା ଥିଲା ଯୋଉଟା ମୁଁ ପାଟିରେ କହି ବି ପାରିବିନି, they started using that for my mother. They started giving me threats on DMs that we will spot you here.
Oh my
Then they
God.
started texting my sister. We will spot both of you and do.
Personal number.
Personal number they got and they started calling me. On Instagram, they started violating my sister. They started giving very horrible text to my sister. And on public platform, you're writing text that you want to me and my mother. For what?
my
And there is where I took my stand because it went about, mane, what did my mom do? What did my sister do? And what have I done? Have I given any bad statement? Have I wore anything wrong? Have I hurt anyone's ମାନେ religious sentiments? କିଛି କ'ଣ ଜିନିଷ କ'ଣ ୟା କିଛି ଗୋଟେ ମୁଦ୍ଦା ତ ଥିବା ଦରକାର ରାଗ କାଢ଼ିବାର କେଉଁ ଜିନିଷ ପାଇଁ ଆଉ those text ମାନେ ମୁଁ ଯେତେବେଳେ ପଢ଼ିଲି ଗୋଟେ ଗୋଟେ those text seemed like those are perverted minds and I read it କି ଏତେ personal ଏତେ ରାଗ back to back and ସେମାନେ ଏଇଟା ବୁଝୁନାହାନ୍ତି कि योर दैट्स अ सोशल मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म समस्ते देखुचंती समस्ते ऑल अराउंड जिनस देखुचंती कि सेटा कोच माने गोटे माइंड रो जिनस जतल जिनस ऊपर ऊपर आसला देयर आई हैड टू माने कॉल इट आउट कि यू कांट टॉक अबाउट माय मॉम यू कांट टॉक अबाउट माय सिस्टर यू कांट टॉक अबाउट एनी वुमन यू कांट टॉक अबाउट एनी वुमन इन जनरल आउ फॉर समबडीज मदर एंड मत बहुत लोग कहले यू कुड हैव इग्नोर्ड इट मोर गोटे क्वेश्चन था एटा सेम क्वेश्चन निज मम्मी सहित निज भौणी सहित होता आई वुड हैव आस्क्ड यू द सेम क्वेश्चन हाउ वुड यू नॉट रिएक्ट व्हाई वुडंट आई टेक द स्टैंड ऑफ माय फैमिली ऑन अ पब्लिक प्लेटफॉर्म टू हुम व्हाई विल दे डू दैट आउ जने फीमेल भी आसथिले काहेकि कहबे इवन भी जने भूल करू हु डिजर्व सच स्टेटमेंट्स दैट इज वेयर आई हैड टू कॉल
Obviously.
इट आउट आई हैड टू कॉल इट आउट एंड से कि नेक्स्ट टाइम दे विल बी लिटिल एटलीस्ट साइलेंट आई इग्नोर थिंग्स but these things ମୁଁ बिल्कुल tolerate करेनी I'll give it back on the face only ସେଇଥିପାଇଁ
We understand कि
Yeah,
there were
exactly.
flaws, but
Yeah,
then
about
it's not
sentiments.
your fault ना माने
Even
light
ମୁଁ
जଳିलानी
କହୁଛି,
or
ହଁ,
whatever
ଯଦି ଜଣଙ୍କ ଭିତରେ massive fault ବି ଜଣେ କରିଥାଉ ଜଣେ ଗୁନାହ ବି କରୁ ଏଇଟା ଛାଡ଼ିଦ generally ମୁଁ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ କହୁଛି does any woman deserve a statement like somebody wants to like has to your mom sister and you nobody
No,
deserves that
no.
there is where I reacted and
No
there is
way.
where I made that statement ki I'm ashamed I'm ashamed and I'm sad I'm not even angry ମୋର ସେଇଟା ହିଁ statement ଥିଲା about that
ଆପଣ ଏମିତି କିଛି ସିଚୁଏସନ୍ को ଆଉ को ଫିଲ୍ଡ ରେ ଫେସ୍ କରିଛନ୍ତି କି
See, field re dekhontu emiti nahi je I've gone across very nice people. I've always been very fortunate. I've come across very nice people. But every coin has two sides. I've gone through some people who have bad intentions and I feel it. Very fast I can read energies of people because ମୁଁ ବହୁତ ସ୍ପିରିଚୁଆଲି ଆଲାଇନ୍ଡ ମଣିଷ ତ ମୁଁ ଭାଇବ୍ସ ବହୁତ ଜଲ୍ଦି ପଢ଼ିପାରେ ଲୋକଙ୍କର କ'ଣ ଇଣ୍ଟେନସନ୍ ଅଛି କ'ଣ ନାହିଁ people in power do that people with no power do that but it's up to you how you deal it if you
Right.
are mane I know if like God is around me that nothing's wrong gonna happen I can take my stand and I'll always be protected that is what I am always
ନିଜର ଦାୟରାଟା ନିଜକୁ ହିଁ ସେଟ୍ କରିବାକୁ ପଡ଼େ ଆକ୍ଚୁଆଲି ସେଇଟା ତ 100% true
completely
ତ ଆର୍ ୟୁ ସ୍ୟାଡ୍ ନାଉ କି ଓଡ଼ିଶାରେ ଆସିକି ଏମିତି ଫେସ୍ କରିବାକୁ
I
ପଡ଼ିଲା
was upset for and ମୁଁ ଆସିଥିଲି କେତେ 2 ଦିନ ପାଇଁ ଆସିଥିଲି just I was already with Delhi Royals then and ମୁଁ 2 ଦିନ ପାଇଁ ଆସିଥିଲି ଏତେ ସବୁ ଜିନିଷ ହେଲା କି I wanted to like at least stay back a little more and I was like କି ମୋତେ ବାହାରିବାର ଅଛି obviously when you are coming because ମୁଁ ଏତେ ସାରା stadiums India सारा କରିଛି ବାରବାଟୀ was like very ମାନେ
ଇଟ୍ସ ଲାଇକ୍ ହୋମ୍ ଟୁ ୟୁ
it's like home to me and it didn't feel like କି ଆପଣ ଯାଇକି ବାହାରେ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ନିଜ ଜାଗାରୁ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଫିଲିଂଟା ଏତେ ସାର୍ ହେଇଯାଏ ତ ଟିକେ I was upset it's not like ମୁଁ ଧରିକି ବସିଛି ସେ କଥା I obviously moved past that but I was upset for a while
you'll come back to Barbati after this
I'll have to think about it I literally have to think about it
दिस इज रियली सैड
Yeah.
कहीं ना जो ओडिया झील ओडिशा ପାଇଁ कि प्राउड मोमेंट नहीं कि आउछंती तांको जदी निज ओडिशा रे ही सेफ फील होनी कि भलो लागुनी
Yeah.
बैक आसिया ପାଇଁ ताले हम ପାଇଁ डेफिनेटली एटा गोटे भलो न्यूज तो नुहे केबे भी तो वी नीड टू इंट्रोस्पेक्ट आवरसेल्व्स कि हम मानकर बिहेवियर केमती हबा उचित पब्लिक फिगर्स मान को प्रति
Yeah, true. Very much.
So it's not about you only. I'm
Exactly.
talking in general.
Definitely.
लोकंकर बिहेवियर आम जदि देखिबा एबे कि आपन को फील होनी कि लोक माने बहुत ज़्यादा डिसरेस्पेक्टफुल हो गलेनी इन जनरल कथबार्ता रे भी देखंतु माने यंग पिला को तो छाड़ी दियंतु यंग पिला को तो माने डेफिनेटली माने बहुत ही माने जदि आपन देखिबे 80% ऑफ यंग जनरेशन हैज बिकम सो डिसरेस्पेक्टफुल पब्लिकली घरे कौन करूथिबे आई डोंट नो किंतु पब्लिकली भी माने यू वोंट बिलीव मी मु से दिन ड्राइव करके जाउची ऑफिस ता सामने रे गोटे पिलांको जो पिकअप वैन जो जाए ना स्कूल पिलांकर
Okay.
से माने आगरे जाउछंती तो से पिकअप वैन टा मते क्रॉस करके आगो को गला से गोटे छोट छुआ माइट बी 5 years ओल्ड हेतिबो गोटे बॉय ही इज शोइंग मी हिज मिडल फिंगर
Oh my God.
जबकि से जानी भी नथिबो कि बुझी भी नथिबो तार मतलब कोन
Oh my God.
जस्ट बिकज कि से अन्य मान को देखुंती इन्फ्लुएंसर्स मान को देखुंती गाली गलोज रॉन्ग सिग्नल्स एंड एवरीथिंग सबुआड़े एते ज्यादा बढ़ी गलानी ना अपन जोटा कहले कि मानसिकता मानसिकता आसूची कोठू
There are 3 notions and 3 directions कोठी कहबे. Charity begins at home. घरू पिला जहाँ सीखे is applicable outside. Very much. और लोगों को जाना नहीं सबकॉन्शियसली चाइल्ड इज वाचिंग एवरीथिंग गोटे है घर जिनस शिक्षा एंड को जगह कौन संस्कार दवा कथा देखंतु जो पेरेंट्स माने भल था जो माने चेक दो था पिलांको ऊपर बार बार एटा भूल एटा ठीक तो पिला टिके कंट्रोल रे आमे जो मु अगर टाइम रे भाबुतली माय फादर इज सो स्ट्रिक्ट एट दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम ही डजंट अलाउ थिंग्स एंड ऑल दैट बट ही वाज राइट टुडे आई फील ही इज राइट ही वाज स्ट्रिक्ट इट वाज नाइस आपन को मे बी भल लागे बनी यू आर लाइक एमती पेरेंट्स का
सेम विथ मी मो पेरेंट्स एते स्ट्रिक्ट
एग्जैक्टली
मते सब किछि करिया पई कि आजादी दैछंती
हाँ.
किंतु देयर आर सर्टेन रूल्स
and regulations you have to follow.
वी
हाँ.
वुड नेवर क्रॉस
हाँ.
से माने क्लैरिटीटा घरे बहुत स्टार्टिंग रु हितिला सब करि परिबो तमे तम डिसीजन नै परिबो सब करि परिबो किंतु दिस इज द लाइन जोटा कि
Exactly.
बियॉन्ड तमे जाई परिबोनी
और सोशल मीडिया एक्सेस देखो आमे जो स्कूल में पढ़ुथलो वी डिड नॉट हैव सोशल मीडिया एक्सेस खाली फेसबुक थिला इट वाज वेरी लिमिटेड बिकॉज़ से टाइम रे यू यूजुअली हैड
से तो ऑर्कुट थिला मो
ऑर्कुट फेसबुक एंड इट वाजंट टॉक्सिक एट दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम सोशल मीडिया डिपेंडेंसी नथिला एबे छुआ छुआरू सोशल मीडिया देखुचंती एंड इट इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट एबे मु गोटे कथा आपण देखुचंती आपण की ओडे इन्फ्लुएंसर को देखले पर कहा को देखले द लाइफस्टाइल दे आर लिविंग and the way they are going everyone wants that psychologically इंसान कौन करे I wish I had that I wish I had that and से जो जिनसो को समाने देखी कि like हाँ मत मो लाइफ रे एटा दरकार सेटा दरकार तमे कौन जानछ समाने एक्चुअली खुशी केते तांका लाइफ रे ओरिजिन तांका लाइफ रे कौन चलछ मोस्ट ऑफ द बिगेस्ट ऑफ पीपल I have seen are really unsatisfied and not happy in their personal lives that is the truth
True.
normal people lead a very good life ସେଇଟା ଜିନିଷ ସେମାନେ ବୁଝିପାରନ୍ତିନି ବଟ୍ ଏବେ ୟଙ୍ଗ ପିଲାଙ୍କୁ ହଠାତ୍ ବିକଜ ୟଙ୍ଗ ମାଇଣ୍ଡସ୍ ଆର୍ ଭେରି ନାଇଭ୍ ଆଟ୍ ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ କି ଖରାପ ବନ୍ ନଥାଏ ଆଇ ଏମ୍ ପ୍ରିଟି ଶ୍योर दैट पर्सन हैज एन इन्फ्लुएंस ऑफ पीपल अराउंड सेट पाई मु
दैट्स व्हाट आई एम सेइंग से
Choose
बुझी
your
भी नथिबो
tribe.
कि से कोन
हाँ,
करूची
exactly.
जस्ट बिकॉज़ से देखुची कि एटा बहुत कूल नजर आछी
Exactly.
ताको
हाँ.
स्क्रीन रे दे आर ट्राइंग टू फॉलो दैट्स इट
one rotten apple spoils the entire basket. It is that thing that is happening. Everything आजकल बहुत सब जिनस इजीली मिलुची पीपल माने जति तांको निज माँ बापा को सजेशन मागिया कथा सन जांकी को गोटे यूट्यूब वीडियो गोटे इन्फ्लुएंसर टॉक या गोटे काहाटू माने माने जो जगह रॉन्ग जिनस होउची the moment because negativity very fast it attracts positive attract kare is very difficult anything I am doing negative na somebody is talking gossiping somebody is saying you'll be much interested ki na kon hochi kon nice human psychology somebody is talking positive very difficult less people will understand so that has
करेक्टली
become
सेड समय रायनांकर से जो शोटा
Yeah.
इंडियाज गॉट टैलेंट कोन पई एते ज्यादा कोन पई कि एबे चर्चा रे अछि
Don't
काहे ना
expect, yeah.
जेतबेले खराब जिंसटा होउथला लोक तो लाइक करथुले देखुथिले ना
Correct.
है ना ଯେତେବେଳେ ସେ ଜିନିଷଟା ଟିକେ ଲାଇମ୍ ଲାଇଟ୍କୁ ଆସିଗଲା କିଛି ସହି ଲୋକ ସେଇଟାକୁ ଅପୋଜ କରିବା ପାଇଁ ଲାଗିଲେ ତାପରେ ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କର ଧ୍ୟାନ ଭଙ୍ଗ ହେଲା ନାଇଁ କି
point,
କି ଏଇଟା ଏମିତି ହେଉଛି ସେଇଟା ସେମିତି ହେଉଛି ଇଭେନ୍ ଏତେ ବଡ଼ ବଡ଼ ମାନେ ଲୋକ ଯାଇକି ତା ଶୋରେ ବସୁଛନ୍ତି
Exactly, that's my thought. That is the
କି
thing.
ଯଦି ଏଇଟା ରଙ୍ଗ ମାନେ ଆଇ ଶୁଡଣ୍ଟ ଗୋ ଇନଟୁ ସଚ୍ ପ୍ରୋଗ୍ରାମ୍ସ ନା
Exactly. Freedom of speech is important, but not to this level that you do anything in the name of freedom.
Right.
That is the point.
ରାଇଟ୍
That is the thing.
ମାନେ ଏବେ ଏତେ ଜ୍ୟାଦା ହେଇଗଲାଣି ଏବେ ଜିନିଷ ଗୁଡ଼ା କି ମାନେ ଲିଗାଲ ଆକ୍ସନ୍ସ ନେବା ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ କଥା ଗଲାଣି ବହୁତ ସାରା ଜିନିଷ ହେଉଛି ଏବେ
Definitely.
କିନ୍ତୁ ଏଇ ସବୁ ଭିତରେ ଗୋଟେ ମାନେ ଖୁସି ହେବା ଜିନିଷ ଏଇଟା ଅଛି କି ଲୋକମାନେ ଆଟଲିଷ୍ଟ ସହିଟା କ'ଣ ବୁଝୁଛନ୍ତି ଭଲ ଜିନିଷଟାକୁ ଆକ୍ସେପ୍ଟ କରିବା ପାଇଁ କି
Correct.
ଦେ ଆର୍ ୱିଲିଂ ଟୁ ଆକ୍ସେପ୍ଟ ଗୁଡ୍ ଥିଙ୍ଗସ୍ ନାଉ
Correct.
ସେଇଟା ମାନେ ବହୁତ ହି ଭଲ ଜିନିଷ ହେଲା ଯାହା ବି ଆଉଟକମ୍ଟା ହେଲା
Indeed.
ରାଇଟ୍ ତ ଆଜ ୟଙ୍ଗଷ୍ଟର ମାନେ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଦେଖୁଛନ୍ତି ଏ ସମାଜଟା ଏମିତି ହେଉଛି କି ଆମେ କୁଆଡ଼େ ଯାଉଛୁ ମାନେ ଆମ ୟଙ୍ଗ ଜେନେରେସନ୍ କୁଆଡ଼େ ଯାଉଛି ଆଉ ତାକୁ କେମିତି ଆମେ ବେଟର କରିପାରିବା ଆଜ ଅ ୟଙ୍ଗ ପର୍ସନ୍ ଯାହା ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଅଣ୍ଡରଷ୍ଟାଣ୍ଡିଂ ୟୁ କ୍ୟାନ୍
I
ସେ
think the path is to what I've understood till now is being spirituality. That's the biggest path to, attain anything positive in your life. You are a human being filled with human emotions. Okay, you need
Correct.
the higher power in you. Somebody you need to believe ki all the time has a guide, and the more you're connected with God, the more matlab he will have that umbrella when it is raining torrentially. That is the only path. There's no other matlab simple mu apanku mate
so nicely said he'll be carrying the umbrella
yeah exactly because ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ମୋ ମା ହୁଅନ୍ତୁ ମୋ ବାପା ହୁଅନ୍ତୁ ଯିଏ ବି ହୁଅନ୍ତୁ ମୁଁ ଗୋଟେ ପେନ୍ ସଫର କରୁଛି ଦେ ୱିଲ୍ ଅଲ୍ ପାସିଫାଇ ସମସ୍ତେ ସବୁ କଥା କରିବେ ବଟ୍ ଯଦି ସପୋଜ ମୋ ଗୋଡ଼ ଭାଙ୍ଗଲା ଯିଏ ମୋତେ ଯେତେ କଲେ ବି ମୁଁ ସେଇ ପେନ୍ଟା ନେଉଛି ସୋ ସେଇ ପେନ୍ଟା ମୁଁ ନେଉଛି କେହି ନେଇପାରିବେନି ଆଣ୍ଡ ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ପଏଣ୍ଟ ଅଫ୍ ଟାଇମ୍ ଇଫ୍ ୟୁ ଆର୍ କନେକ୍ଟେଡ୍ ଟୁ ହାୟର ପାୱାର ଅର୍ ସମ୍ ସ୍ପିରିଚୁଆଲ ଏନିଥିଙ୍ଗ you will find the right way. You will always find the right way. You will be wise to make decisions. You won't go ki na moro whim hela eta karera achi nahi. You will always have that rational thought. And I'm telling you, I wasn't really like this. I was a little impulsive, irrational. Like my father says, you need to still grow up. But with everything, when I started following spirituality into my life, I got my answers then and there.
being successful at this young age ଏତେ balanced କେମିତି ରହିଛନ୍ତି ସେଇଟା ମୋର question
Balanced is I always introspect ki ଏଇ ଜିନିଷର
କାହିଁକି ନା whatever you are speaking I can expect those things from a 40-year-old not from a young person like you
yeah
ଯୋଉଟା କି ଏବେ ଆମେ ଦେଖୁନୁ ୟଙ୍ଗ ପିଲାଙ୍କ ଭିତରେ ସେଥିପାଇଁ ପଚାରୁଛି
thing is that ki realization of outcomes କ'ଣ ହବାର ଅଛି ମୁଁ ଗୋଟେ ଜିନିଷଟା whimରେ କରୁଛି obviously I have made mistakes in my life hence I know but I don't want to repeat those mistakes ମୁଁ ଭୁଲ କରିଛି ଆଉ ଥରେ ସେମ୍ ଜିନିଷ କାହିଁ କରିବି I will little bit analyze ki ମୁଁ ଏଇ ଜିନିଷକୁ କେତିକି ପାରିପାରିବି ଆଉ ଯଦି ଜିନିଷ କିଛିଟା ହେଉଛି ଭୁଲ କି ମୋତେ ଗୋଟେ ଡାଇରେକ୍ସନ୍ ନେବାର ଅଛି ଇଏ ନେବାର ଅଛି ମୁଁ ଆନାଲାଇଜ୍ କରିବାଟା ଠିକ୍ ଅଛି ନା ନାହିଁ ଫର୍ଷ୍ଟ ଥିଙ୍ଗ ହେଉଛି ବାଲାନ୍ସିଂ ଇଜ୍ ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ଆଣ୍ଡ ପର୍ସନାଲ୍ ଲାଇଫ୍ ପ୍ରୋଫେସନାଲ୍ ଲାଇଫ୍ ଦିସ୍ ହାଜ୍ ଟୁ ବି ଅଲୱେଜ୍ ବି ସେପାରେଟ୍ ଇଟ୍ ଇଜ୍ ଲାଇକ୍ ଭେରି ଭେରି ଡିଫରେଣ୍ଟ ଆଣ୍ଡ ମୋ ପାଇଁ is like having good people around me. That always helps me out. Some positive people around me where there are good vibes. My friends around when they come down, it is a balance. You need to enjoy that, feel of when you're having some success. You need to enjoy that with your friends and family. Then you are balanced. I want to prove myself. No. I am around, like, live in the moment. That moment goes away. बहुत जल्दी पड़ा है you cherish that moment.
such a beautiful thing you said
Live in that moment. Okay, just be happy around. Think like कि मोर आज भी गोटा quote I shared कि we are always ranting मो पाई कौन किए करिबो मो पाई कौन करे अरे bro what have you done for others have you questioned that to yourself have you like made someone smile today like have you made someone feel good then come up and ask who will do things for me that is balance in head that is clear that's how I am
actually ଏଇଟା intellectual ଜିନିଷଟା ଆସେ ସେତେବେଳେ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଆପଣ ଗଡ୍ ମାନେ ଫଲୋ କରନ୍ତି
totally
ଆଉ ଗୀତା ପଢ଼ନ୍ତି
Gita, yes, I do religiously follow, and I have discussions about Gita with my mom very often about karma, dharma, everything. And Albert Einstein, I was reading a quote where he said when he read Gita, everything around seemed superfluous. to him. Like he also in the science also last to prove that God is the ultimate. And Gita, and I always introspected one thing. Why did Lord Krishna only show Vishwaroop to Arjuna? Go to those things when you understand that, like, and best line about that was like, I am everything and I'm still nothing. If God comes and says this, you need to understand he's the beginning and he's the end. That's how it is.
And I am everything, I am nothing.
I'm everything,
Mane,
I'm nothing.
if you trust on God,
Yeah.
you are everything.
Yeah.
If you don't trust, you are nothing.
So you have the angels and demons जो गोटे book टे थिला. That is how a human being is made. ता भितर angel अच्छी, ता भितर demon अच्छी. So
सब
that
सही दिमाग रे ही अच्छी.
शैतान दिमाग खाली बैठने से शैतान दिमाग आता है. It's all there. आउ जो जिनसे अपन भाबु चंद side around से या हबो start हबो मु negative भाबी मु negative देखी भी. अब भल भाबी भल side around. खराब जल्दी भी हो जाए, at least have the power to overcome that bad thing.
Or to fight back.
Or to fight back. Yeah.
Right.
True.
Ebbe next कौन plan अच्छी life रे?
Live next I have a league in like in a week. That is the next plan. The leagues are there, so I'll be traveling. My mom is a little upset because I'm coming for like 7 days and again going back. So once I get back, I think I have to take her out somewhere. So Aji Sokhalu, she's been ranting and she has sent me tickets to my WhatsApp already. You book it right now.
Okay.
So I think I'll just take mama outside after that.
Mane, don't call me auntie after asking this question.
I'll never.
What is your marriage plan?
Oh my god, marriage plan is my parents are like behind my life. It's not, they are behind my life. I told my parents I want an arranged marriage. You know what my parents are saying? You do love marriage. It's such opposite. They are like, you find love and you get married.
काहेकि माने एत्ते heartbreak ही जाई छी कि माने you don't trust anyone.
That is also a thing, one of those things. But then I don't know. For me, like when I'll be married, I have always thought of like, you know, how a marriage should actually work, like a proper husband and wife. A husband needs to like be a mirror of the wife. A husband needs to be a lot like me in nature, so he will understand. So if we have both similar energies, then only we can make the marriage work. And if I find someone like that, then and that's my ultimate goal, is to get married. Like my parents are given this year end. I'm like still telling them, we'll see. But I have a feeling there would be someone like that, and I'll get married.
Okay, eligible bachelors, please apply.
and be a nice guy. That's the first priority.
Okay, great.
Yeah.
अच्छा, कौन हवो जदि कहीं player माने cricket player ही propose कर देबे तो? Because you already said कि you will keep your personal and professional life separate.
I would still take my time to, you know, analyze if he'll be a husband material or not.
So I'll give it a thought.
I will give it a thought, but I'll still analyze, is he worthy of being a husband
अच्छा.
or a life partner? It's not about like he's a cricketer and all of that. That doesn't apply to me. Like,
Okay.
I want a happy marriage. That's
Application is open for all.
it. Yeah, you can say that. Yeah.
अच्छा,
Yeah.
great.
Yeah.
मते बहुत भल लागिला एक्चुअली from कथा है कि कारण
Yeah, मते भी. You know,
right now I'm feeling like a 20-year-old, you know that?
No, you're also asking very good questions. It's a questioner who asks good questions. It's always like that. Then the answer comes out good.
Thank you.
That's always there.
कारण मते भी सेतବେଳେ ଭଲ ଲାଗେ
हाँ.
पॉडकास्टिंग रे जेतବେଳେ ମୁଁ ବସିଥାଏ होस्ट हिसाब रे मते भी सेतବେଳେ ଭଲ ଲାଗେ କଥା ପାଇଁ ଯେତେବେଳେ ସାମ୍ନା वाला ସେଠି ଓପन ଥାନ୍ତି
हाँ.
you know ତ ଆପେ ଆପେ ହିଁ ଭଲ ଭଲ क्वेश्चंस ଆସିବ
Correct.
and friendly vibe ହେଇଗଲା ମାନେ କନଭରसेशन ଟା ବି ଭଲ ହିଁ ହବ
Definitely.
ତ ଆଜି ପାଇଁ ତ ଏତିକି ହିଁ ରଖିବା ଆଇ नो କି you are in a short notice visit
Yeah.
है ना ତ କିଛି words ଆମ ऑडियंस को
First of all, I felt very nice to be around you. And
Thank you.
just because I got to know like you're a businesswoman, married, 2 kids, managing. So I believe like there are like lot of women who can learn from you, and I also felt very nice. It's like I'll take that away.
Oh,
and
thank you.
just feel so nice. Very good interiors, first of all. I watch out that, and it felt very nice. So I urge everyone to watch all your videos, because I believe you're a damn good podcaster.
Thank you.
Yeah, that's-
And I thank you
Yeah.
for coming and giving us so much, patience and
My
this
pleasure.
time also.
My pleasure.
है ना?
My pleasure.
So, thank you from डियर ऑडियंस मत बहुत खुशी लगे पर्सनाली मु बहुत खुशी आज एपिसोड शूट कर सारा आई होप कि आपन को देखला बेलू भी सेतिक ही खुशी फील हम नमस्कार।